If your blog isn't getting traffic, loads slowly, or isn't making money, chances are you're missing one critical thing: the right plugins. In this video, I'm going to show you the best WordPress plugins for bloggers on WordPress.com that can help you grow faster, improve performance, and even increase your income without any coding. If you're serious about blogging, this is something you don't want to ignore.
First, let's clear one important thing. WordPress.com does support plugins, but you'll need a business or commerce plan to unlock full access. Once you have that, you can install powerful tools that completely transform your blog. And trust me, using the right plugins can save you months of effort and frustration. Let's start with SEO, because without traffic, nothing else matters. The most popular plugin here is Yoast SEO. It helps you optimize your posts with real-time suggestions, improves readability, and shows how your content will appear on Google. It's perfect for beginners. If you want something more advanced, Rank Math is a great alternative with built-in analytics, schema options, and better control over optimization. Another must-have is Site Tip by Google, which connects your blog with Google Analytics and Search Console so you can actually understand what's working and what's not. Next comes speed, which is a huge ranking factor. A slow website will kill your traffic, no matter how good your content is. Lightspeed Cache is one of the best plugins for this. It handles caching, image optimization, and lazy loading, making your site load much faster. If you prefer something simple and already integrated, Jetpack Performance is a great option that works smoothly on WordPress.com and improves loading times without complicated settings. Now let's talk about security. Akismet is essential because it blocks spam comments automatically and keeps your site clean. If you want advanced protection, WordFence provides firewall and malware scanning features, which are especially useful as your traffic grows. For growing your audience, email marketing is powerful. MailPoet is one of the best plugins for this because it lets you build an email list and send newsletters directly from your dashboard without needing third-party tools. Pair that with WP Forms, which helps you create contact forms, feedback forms, and subscription forms easily, and you'll start converting visitors into subscribers much faster. To boost traffic further, you need social sharing and analytics. Social Warfare adds clean and fast sharing buttons that encourage readers to share your content. Monster Insights makes it easy to track your traffic directly inside WordPress, so you can see which posts perform best and focus on what works. If your goal is to make money from your blog, then Ad Inserter is a must-have. It allows you to place ads strategically inside your content without affecting user experience, and to protect everything you've built. The bottom line is simple. You don't need dozens of plugins. You just need the right ones. When used correctly, these plugins can dramatically improve your blog's performance, traffic, and income. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description to get started with WordPress.com and unlock these powerful tools.